Welcome to Mr. Taglish. Hello! Our topic for this video is about saffron.
You want to eat paella.
Or you want to cook paella.
You know the one of
The spice is world's most expensive. Yes, you heard is right. Saffron is world's most expensive spice. On the market, premium quality best saffron costs around $3,000 for 2 pounds, about 1 kilogram, so at that price, a pound could cost up to $1,830. Such pricing makes saffron spice even more expensive than gold today. That's why it's commonly referred to as red gold. Saffron is a spice derived from the flower of Crocus sativus, commonly known as the saffron crocus. The vivid crimson stigma and styles, called threads, are collected and dried for use mainly as a seasoning and coloring agent in food. Although some doubts remain on its origin, it is believed that saffron originated in Iran. But southwestern Greek islands remain strong contenders. Traders, conquerors, and world explorers introduced it to China, India, and the Middle East. From there, it traveled to Mediterranean Europe. At present, Iran, Greece, Morocco, India, Spain and Italy are the world's top saffron producers. Several cuisines around the world use saffron for its distinguished color and aroma. It forms the backbone of several iconic dishes from around the world such as the Spanish rice, meat and seafood dish paella, the French stew bouillabaisse, Italian rice dish risotto Milanese, the Indian ice cream kesar kulfi, Pakistani rice and meat dish biryani, and baked Iranian rice tachin. Some spices only grow on remote tropical islands. Others require jungle-like conditions, specific soil types, or specialized pollinators to produce a crop. Poor weather or a rapidly growing market can also inflate the price tag on a jar of spice. Even cheap imitations and fillers can make you pay dearly for the good stuff.
And sometimes the price tag is
So big because the harvest is so small.
That's where saffron comes in.
Only, saffron doesn't grow on remote islands, nor does it need tropical conditions or a rare exotic insect to produce a harvest. Saffron is the product of the saffron crocus, Crocus sativus, a small fall-blooming crocus, usually the last flower to bloom in the season. It's a pretty little thing, with thin, grassy-looking leaves adorned with a white pinstripe and lavender blooms. Like all crocuses, the saffron crocus forms a hair-covered corm, similar to a bulb, a little bigger than a quarter. Saffron has an unusual growth pattern, the reverse of most plants. The corms lie dormant in the ground through the heat of the summer before pushing new growth in early fall. The blooms, which bear the spice, arrive in late September into early October. The leaves often persist through the winter into early spring, when the corms push new replacements. All of the leaves shrivel and fade away by early summer. Saffron corms multiply by dividing underground, as saffron flowers are sterile and do not produce seeds. 3 stigmas are born in the center of each purple cup-shaped bloom. The best time to harvest the stigmas is mid-morning on a sunny day when the flowers have fully opened and are still fresh. Carefully pluck the stigmas from the flowers with your fingers. Use your fingers to separate each single stigma gently from the center of each blossom. Discard the blossoms. Place each stigma onto the lined shallow tray, making sure the stigmas do not touch each other on the tray. Continue working until you separate all the stigmas from the blossoms and space each stigma properly onto the shallow tray. Cover the stigmas with the thin fabric sheet. Place the covered tray in a warm and dry location to dry the saffron. Allow the saffron to dry for up to 1 week.
Check the saffron after
3 or 4 days. The saffron stigmas are sufficiently dry when they feel dry and brittle when you gently touch them. For more informational videos, please subscribe my channel Mr. Taglish, then click the notification bell. Thank you.